In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side view mirror cap on this Toyota Corolla. Located on the back side of the side view mirror, there's one on each of course, and make sure you have the correct side for the application. Let's get started. To get the mirror cap unclipped, unless yours is already broken and falling off or completely removed, you'll have to remove the mirror glass. And to do that, push it down on the bottom and then stick your fingers between the side of it at the top and pry. Now you'll have to go in as far as possible to get towards the center. Pull firmly and that'll pop it off of the motor. It's got 4 clips on the back side that holds it on. At this point there will be multiple clips holding this on. There will be one right here, one right there, another one there, and here. Then there are 2 more that are actually hidden behind this panel. They look the same, they're just little hooks. You'll have to reach in for one of them through here. The other one you cannot access, so you have to just pull on the cap. I'll try to give you the best view I can to show you how I'm doing this. I'll be using a trim tool to keep pressure outward on the mirror cap while I unclip one clip at a time. Oh, okay. Well, sometimes that happens. Other times you'll have to go around and unhook all the points that secure it. So as you can see, there's clip, clip, a couple tabs here, 2 clips on the bottom. To install your new mirror cap, just take it, line it up, and press it on. Make sure it clicks and it's locked in. And then of course install your mirror glass, line it up in the center, give it a firm press right in the middle. Ensure that it won't wobble. If it doesn't, that means it's hooked onto all 4 points that mounts it. And with that, the job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.